Meaning of facing.
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 Facing. The term facing has multiple meanings, depending on the context. Generally, it can refer to the direction an object or person is oriented towards. In a military context, it can describe the position of troops in relation to the enemy. In fashion, it can refer to the fabric added to the front of a garment to give it structure. In construction, it can refer to the finishing layer applied to a surface. Overall, facing describes the orientation or appearance of something and can have different connotations depending on the situation.